Excuse me, ma'am. Yeah, how much do you pay for rent?
I don't pay for rent. I live here. Do you want to see?
Oh, yes.
Yeah. So this is like my little home. This is where I chill and work. This is a lagoon adjustable table. You'll just prop that open and then you can swivel it around, and then I just work right here. And there's also a cup holder. So I love the color that this customer picked out. It's a really cute pattern. You can also open this up, and it's a Lavio dry flush toilet. So you could just take it right out and then literally go honestly wherever and just take the bag right out, and you don't have to worry about any smells or any water leakage or anything like that. Over here is just a little bit more storage, so you can put like toilet paper in there, whatever you'd like. Up here you will find your control panel, so you can turn your water pump on, your water heater, and then this is your freeze protect for when you go camping in the cold, so you don't have to freeze your tanks. And then you have more storage up top, and then there's also storage up here that you can put on top of the van. Up here is a max air fan, so if you don't feel like pumping some AC, you could also just do that, and it brings air in and out. Over here, if you don't feel like cooking, this is honestly perfect. It's a 700 watt microwave, so it does a lot of power. Just open that right up, and you can put your food in if you don't feel like cooking. There's also outlets over here, so if you need to charge your phone. This is an isotherm fridge, so it's a freezer and a refrigerator. So you could freeze your items and refrigerate, and it's pretty big, so there's a lot of storage that you can put your items in. Over here, you'll find a bunch of storage. So this build does not have a shower, as you can see, but they decided, they wanted more storage. And there's also a shower outside, so that I'll show you later. So over here, this is a step up. So this is a king size memory foam bed. It's honestly pretty big. You could probably fit like 4 people on here. And then you just step right up, and then you can sit and lay down. And then up top is your nomadic AC system. So this will cool down your van in honestly minutes. Since we're in hot weather, this is very helpful. This is where you access your garage. So you can access your garage from inside of the van and outside of the van, just opening that up. Over here, you'll find just more storage for your belongings. Since there's no induction cook stovetop, the customer decided to do a portable cooker. So you just take this right out, and then you can cook wherever, outside, inside. And then this is also an Acacia butcher block countertop, so it's very easy to clean. And also I love that this has a pop-up, so you can just cook right along here. And then this is an addition if you want more counter space. It just covers the sink. This is also a great addition because you could just wash literally anything off, have 2 people showering at the same time. But no, you could just take that and then wash it wherever. Moving outside of the van, over here, these are Steelcraft side steps right here. So these will help you get inside of your van easily. This is a shoe cubby extension, so you could just put your shoes right here. You don't have to track any mud inside. Over here is an upgraded van suspension system. And then this is also the Method tires that the customer chose. This is great for the van. It looks beautiful. And I love the black rims as well. So over here are your Baja design lights. These are perfect to see at night. And then it's attached to your CA Tune bumper, and also has warn winches. If you get stuck, this will help get your van out. And I love this American flag edition that the customer decided to pick out. It looks great for this. And then over here, you'll find more lights on top of the van. And then another side step to help you get on the driver's side. This right here is a flatline Vanco ladder. It'll help you get up to 400 watts of solar power. And then you can also access your Starlink up here for your internet. This is extra room for the bedside. So over here, this is an extra tire. It's another Method tire. This is great if you get a flat. You'll just pop this right back on. These are Flatline Vanco pull-out trays. So if you have like a bike or anything that you want to put, you could just put it right on and then slide it in if you don't feel like climbing in through the garage area. Over here, you'll find your outdoor shower. So you'll just add your attachment. This is your shower attachment. This is perfect, especially since this customer does not have a shower inside of the van. And there's also 33 gallons of water, so you have a bunch of water to shower with. So over here, you'll find your Battleborn 800 amp hours of power. So you have a bunch of power to go off grid. And you also have your Victron energy system over here as well. You also will find outlets. There's a bunch of outlets also inside of the van. This is also a step up. So this will help you get inside of the van up top. And then you'll also find reading lights on the side of the beds as well over here too. And then as you can see, there's also a white fan by the bedside area. So if you don't feel like putting your Nomadic AC on, that white fan is just great. You will find a Flatline Vanco box. So this is great for storage. And then you can also use it as a table. If you want to just cook and do some work, this is props right open as a table, and then you can put storage inside. And this right here is your Nomadic awning. So if you get really hot, this is great. It just puts shade over the van and you don't have to worry about the sunlight. This has a bunch of shade. So you could just put some chairs and chill, do a bonfire maybe. I know it's hot, but you could do a little bonfire maybe. So this is great if it's too hot for you. And then you could just retract it right back with this switch right here. And then I almost forgot, this is a great addition. It's a little table, so you just chill, do some work, especially under the shade. This is perfect. So yeah, thank you for watching. I'll see you guys next time.